All right, so after I got my mini split installed, I'm taking this Pro-Dex insulation 6-inch wide strips by however long you want to do it, and then I'm just insulating the pipe more over top of the foam, and then I'm going to take the tape that came with the unit, and I'm going to tape it up so like water and stuff doesn't get in there, and make it real tight and nice looking, and just add a little bit more insulation to the copper lines. And then I'm going to try to insulate these inlets right here too. And this is what it looks like after I wrap it with the white tape and make it a little bit more secure and insulated.